Assalamu alaikum. This is Khairul Islam Shohag. Welcome, Nawabganj Digital School. It is an online platform where students can get benefited. Dear viewers and those who are watching me from country and abroad, please take my heartiest wishes. Today, I am here to take a class, and it is online live class. Here I am English teacher from Trisha, assistant teacher Dukumia Vidyaniketan. Dear viewers and learners, today I am going to take a very important class for English for today, and it is very important class for you and SSC syllabus also. So don't be late. So let's start our lesson. Dear learners, today before going to class, I just show you a picture and then I just write down three word, and I just show you on picture. Then you will understand what is the today's topic. Okay, all right. The word is archaeological ancient and Bihara. Dear students and learners, I just write down three words. Firstly, you can see the word archaeological. What is the meaning of archaeological? Another word is ancient and Bihar. Can you understand what is the today's topic? Now, I just show you a picture, and that is, can you see this picture? What is the picture about? Yes, those who are intelligent, I think all are understand what is the today's topic. Today's topic is Sompur Mahabihar. That means archaeological, ancient, Bihar. These three words are very much related about Sompur Mahabihara. That means, so I just declare my today's lesson. My declared lesson is Sompur Mahabihar. Okay, dear learners, the class is open now. The class is declared, and the class is Sompur Mahabihar. It is very important in our cultural history. In our cultural history also, because Sompur Mahabihar plays an important role in our history. It is very ancient monument, or it also represents our historical culture. Okay, dear viewers, I just write down my class. Dear viewers, the class is class 9 and 10, and the subject is English for today. English for today. Unit 8, lesson 3, and topic is Sompura Mahabihar. Dear viewers and learners, my class is open. My class is declared now, and today's topic is Sompur Mahabihar. It's very ancient monument in our country. Do you know where is Sompur Mahabihar and why is it famous? Who was built it? Or why it was built? These 4 questions, after ending the lessons, we are clearly understand. Dear students and dear respectable teachers, if you are listen, then you will clearly able to understand today's learning outcome. Today, I just 3 learning outcomes, and that is learning, dear viewers, here is learning outcomes. I just writing here 1, 2, 3. Dear learners and viewers, after completing this lesson, the students will be able to describe any kinds of monument in country and abroad. And the second one is students are able to write any short paragraph on a specific item. And the 3 learning outcomes is students will be able to answer some important new words and very important similar meaning after ending the topic. Dear students and dear learners, now before going to start my reading of the passage, I just discuss some important vocabulary, and the vocabulary is very important for your class, and the topic Sompur Mahabihar. Dear learners, Sompur Mahabihar is an archaeological site in our country. So, before start my reading of the passage, I just discuss some important vocabulary or important new words. I hope you all are with me. I hope you all are in the reading table, and please take your English for today book and notebook and pen with you. Then when you need writing anything, then you must write down in your notebook. Because after COVID-19, when our school is open, you must show your writings to your respectable teachers and your class teacher and your English teacher. Alright, dear viewers, now look carefully the new words. Dear viewers, can you see the board? Can you see this? Yes, I just made it a poster for you to discuss some important new words, which is very effective to understand the passage. Now, archaeological. Do you know what is archaeological? Yes, archaeological means study of culture of the history. Study of our culture and very past culture, very past history. That means archaeological. Another word you can see here, and that is excavate. Dear students, what is excavate? What is excavate? Excavate means something digging or dig. D-I-G, dig. Excavate, dig. Devote, devote. And there is a devote to every country. প্রত্যেক দেশে ডিভোট আছে। That means devote. What is the meaning of devote? Devote means those who are pious. That means pious. Devote, pious. Dynasty. Dear students, dynasty. What is the meaning of dynasty? Yes, dynasty means empire. Empire means a regime where a ruler ruled over all the country. That means empire means a সাম্রাজ্য, একটা রাজ্য, একটা অঞ্চল যেখানে একটা রাজা রাজত্ব কায়েম করে বা সেখানে বসবাস করে। Sorry students, my poster is just disturbing me. Here is another word, shrine. 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 Shrine means হচ্ছে memorial. Something is very important, memorable in our mind. That means shrine. Memorial or a very holy place where people can pray. That means temple. Prayer place, temple. Or lofty. Dear learners, lofty. What is the meaning of lofty? Lofty means sublime. That means when it's very crucial, expensive. Employ means to give a signal, somebody or someone. Benefactor. What is the meaning of benefactor? Dear students, benefactor means a person who give some money for developing work. Benefactor means a person who give a fund, economical fund. Benefactor, a person who give fund. Remain মানে হচ্ছে কি? Remain মানে হচ্ছে থাকা। Remain, keep. Ruin, disaster. Ruin মানে হচ্ছে disaster. Dear learners, remain, that means something to keep with you. তোমার সাথে কোনো কিছু থাকা, that means ruin, disaster. আর ruin মানে হচ্ছে কোনো কিছু নষ্ট করে দেওয়া, ধ্বংস করে দেওয়া। ন্যাচারাল ডিজাস্টার, প্রাকৃতিক ধ্বংস, ruin, disaster. Remain, থাকা। Dear students, I just read out the right vocabulary again. Please look carefully and listen carefully. Archaeological study of the culture of past, excavate, dig, devote, pious, dynasty, empire, shrine, memorial, lofty, sublime, imply, signal, benefactor, a person who give money, remain, keep, ruin, disaster. Okay, dear student, I just completed my reading, my vocabulary section. Now we are going to our next passage where we can learn about Shulpur Mahavihar. Dear learners, Paharpur is an important archaeological site situated in village named Paharpur in Naugaon district of Bangladesh. বাংলাদেশের নওগাঁ ডিস্ট্রিক্টে পাহাড়পুর গ্রাম অবস্থিত। Naugaon is mainly plain land and in the middle of it there stood a hill covered with a jungle. এই গ্রামের মাঝখানে একটা পাহাড় আছে যেটা জঙ্গল দিয়ে ঢাকা। When jungle is over, there emerged a lofty ruin. And the Paharpur site has been excavated and re-excavated in number of times. That means পাহাড়পুর যে আর্কিওলজিক্যাল সাইট, এটা বিভিন্ন আর্কিওলজিস্ট দ্বারা সময়ে সময়ে খনন করা হয় এবং পুনর্খনন করা হয়। And also Sir Alexander Cunningham, archaeological surveyor of India, visited the place in 1879. He intended to carry out the extension of this place, and also nevertheless he was satisfied with whatever excavation was permitted to carry out. Dear students, the site was declared to protect by the Archaeological Survey of India in 1990. Systematic and regular excavation started jointly by the Archaeological Survey of India and Virendra Research Society of Rajshahi and Kolkata University. In 1923, the Department of Archaeology of Bangladesh brought this site under further excavation after independence. The operation took place in two phases. The first phase of initiated in 1981 to 1984, and pre-liberation excavation have been revealed the architecture of Buddhist monastery. Sompur Mahavihar was one of the most famous Buddhist institution for monks of ancient Bengal and Southern Asia. The excavated complex at Paharpur has been identified as Sompur Mahavihara, and the palm rulers were Buddhist, and that is Dharmapal. Have you heard the name of Dharmapal? Dear viewers, if you read the history of our country, then you all have known the king Dharmapal. That means when Dharmapal ruled the empire, then he was built Sompur Mahavihar for Buddhist monastery, where people can say their prayer. Some of them became great centers of learning, and it is behaved and made by second Dharmapal. That means দ্বিতীয় ধর্মপাল নামক যে রাজা তিনি সেটা নির্মাণ করেছিলেন, এবং এটা নওগাঁর পাহাড়পুর গ্রামে অবস্থিত, ছোট্ট একটা গ্রামে অবস্থিত। সেখানে স্যার কানিংহাম, কে.এন. দীক্ষিত, আর.ডি. ব্যানার্জি নামক প্রমুখ প্রত্নতত্ত্ববিদ ওনারা এটা excavated or re-excavate করেছিল for their thesis or discovered a very important archaeological monument here. Dear viewers and learners, English for today is very important subject as for the students, because it's an English where we use in our everyday life. Okay, so if you want to smart in English, then you have to study English for today very carefully. Dear learners and viewers, now we have completed our reading. We are going to another section, that is our question part. I just discussed some 4 or 5 questions, then you will clearly understand about Sompur Mahavihar. Dear viewers, why it is built? And where is it located? And the question, who are the archaeologists excavate this site? Dear students and dear learners, I just write down 3 questions here, and you can answer this question. Can you answer this question? Yes, the question is, why it is built? This Sompur Mahavihar at Nauga district, why this site was built? এই অংশটা কেন নির্মাণ করা হয়েছিল? And you all know that the Pal king and the second Pal king Dharmapal was built this ancient monument. Where is it located? Where is it located? এটা কোথায় অবস্থিত? You all answer this. It is located at northern Bangladesh, northern part of our country, called Noga. Who are the archaeologists excavate this site? Yes, R.D. Banerjee, K.M. Dixit, and Sir Cunningham, Birendra Research Society, Kolkata University, and some other renowned institutions are excavate this site several times. অর্থাৎ বিভিন্ন সময় বিভিন্ন ধরনের প্রত্নতত্ত্ববিদদের দ্বারা সোমপুর মহাবিহার খনন করা হয়েছিল। And okay, dear students, we just discuss some questions about Sompur Mohabihar. Here is some another questions you can ask me. You can study at your home, and that is, what objects indicate that the site was built by second Pal king? দ্বিতীয় ধর্মপাল যখন এটা নির্মাণ করেছিল, কোন জিনিসগুলো এখানে উল্লেখ করা হয়েছিল? আর্থেন সিল, সিরামিক সিল, স্টোন সিল, আয়রন সিল। ইয়েস, ইটস আর্থেন সিল। মাটির বিভিন্ন ধরনের নকশা পত্র আমরা সেখানে পেয়েছিলাম। Dear students, another questions I just write down here. How many times it was excavated? Dear viewers, how many times it was excavated? কতবার এটা খনন করা হয়েছিল? You all know that 2 times. Or first phase, different archaeologists are excavate this site, and they discover some important earthen seal or some important monuments from this Sompur Mohabihar. So it's very important for the archaeologist to re-excavate or excavate this site. Okay, dear learners, it's very important to know our history. It's also very important to know our culture. Some important monuments which are very part of our culture, and people of Bangladesh have to protect this site. Even I just share one important thing with you, and that is, have you seen any kinds of natural monument, natural site at this area, at your area? If you find any kind of archaeological site at your area, you have to inform our government authority to protect this site. That's why our future generation can be able to know about archaeological monument, and which is display, which is represents our culture as we are Bengali, as we are Bangladeshi. Alright, dear students, always keep it in your mind. Such kind of archaeological site. How many time, dear students, how many time it was excavated? Yes, you all know that. Several times it was excavated, but finally the 2 phases. And another question is, Paharpur, do you know Paharpur? Yes, Paharpur is a village, and that is called a village name, a typical Bangladeshi village, which is the part of our country. How many times it's also completed? Dear learners, here is another word for you, and that is column A, column B. Dear viewers, এরপর যে আমরা কলাম A এবং কলাম B জানবো, এটা হচ্ছে সিমিলার মিনিং। কলাম A এর ওয়ার্ডের সাথে কলাম B এর ওয়ার্ডগুলো আমরা ম্যাচিং করব। I just write 2 words, and that is devote and systematic. Systematic. extensive, pious, methodically, or extensive, grand. Dear viewers, I just write down 2 words in column A. In column B, I also write down 3 words. Now, you are going to match this word. In column A, we can see. Here is the word devout. Devout means very religious. That means pious. Now, we're just matching this word, pious. Another word is systematic. What is the meaning of systematic? Systematic মানে হচ্ছে methodically যেটা পদ্ধতিগতভাবে আমাদের করা হয়, and extensive, that means grand. Now I just completed this section. I just go another section. Dear learners, Shompur Mohabihar is very important archaeological site in our history, and you all know that not only the native archaeologists but also some foreign archaeologists came here to discover something valuable, and they all excavate and re-excavate this site in several times. So it's very important to learn for our students why it's very important in our history. So, dear learners, I'm just going to complete my session, and we have already done some important part. The first one is just going to discuss another portion, and that is MCQ. MCQ. Dear students, in your exam, English first paper question, you will find a very important topic, and that is MCQ. MCQ means multiple choice questions. In your exam, you will find a question. Here is a question, and below it there is some alternative. You will find a proper or correct alternatives. That is called MCQ questions. The first MCQ question is Paharpur is a dash. Ki hobe? A very small village, a very large village, a typical Bangladeshi village. Yes, the answer is typical Bangladeshi village. After excavation, the archaeologists discovered a huge king palace, Buddhist monastery, or Hindu temple. প্রত্নতত্ত্ববিদ এটা খনন করার পরে কি পেয়েছিল? কিং প্যালেস, রাজার প্রাসাদ, হিন্দু টেম্পল, হিন্দু মন্দির, or Buddhist monastery, বৌদ্ধ মন্দির. Yes, the answer is Buddhist monastery. Another question I just try to learn. The word benefactor in the text means. এই গল্পের মধ্যে benefactor কি বুঝিয়েছিল? Clue, bank, famous businessman, people with money, financial supporter. Yes, dear learners, the answer is financial supporter. That means আমরা বলি পৃষ্ঠপোষক. একটা খেলাধুলো হলে কেউ একজন সেটাকে পৃষ্ঠপোষকতা করে, যে she or he found some money to run this game or to run this function. And so in our country also there is some benefactor. Yes, dear viewers, I just MCQ. We have completed MCQ here, and সুপ্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীবৃন্দ, আমি চেষ্টা করেছি তোমাদের সাথে ইংলিশ ফর টুডে ইউনিট 8 লেসন 3 নামক টপিকটি পড়ানোর জন্য। And as it is online class, if there is any wrong, please take it very easy. And if you are benefited, then inform me and write down your valuable comment below. And please like this, share this page. Nawabganj Digital School. It's very important online platform where you can easily benefit it. Dear students, it's time for homework. It's time for homework. Yes. Yes, dear students, that's your homework. And the homework is, have you seen any ancient building, ancient place? If yes, write 5 sentences about it. Dear students and learners, here is the homework. Please write down at your notebook. The homework is: have you seen such kind of historical monument in your locality or in your next village, next town? If yes, then write down 5 sentences about this historical monument, historical building. তুমি যদি এরকম কোনো ঐতিহাসিক স্থান পরিদর্শনে গিয়ে থাকো অথবা সোমপুর বিহারের মতো কোনো জায়গা যদি তোমাদের এলাকায় থেকে থাকে, তাহলে সেই সম্পর্কে তুমি 5 লাইন 7 লাইন তোমার খাতার মধ্যে লিখে রাখবে। And of course, when the school is open, you must show your homework to your respectable teacher. And dear students and dear learners and who are watching me, know today, and I am the last step in my class, and that is, I just say a very important prediction or proverbs, and that is, a bad workman quarrels with his tools. So I don't like you all to have a bad workman. Please be a good one, stay home, stay with your family, and watch Nawabganj Digital School class, watch my English class, and pray for me. I also pray for you. No more today, more when meet with you. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.